I scored 99.49 percentile. I would first focus on theory in the morning, so I'm focused. And the moment the exam started, I just quickly went through all the questions for about 5 to 10 minutes. So these teachers are the main role in me getting 99 percentile. I'm Aditi Harishankar. I am from Diksha Vedantu, and in the first attempt of JEE, I scored 99.49 percentile. I'm a morning person, so I started my day at 5 o'clock and I would first focus on theory in the morning, so I'm focused. I would proceed to do math because it was really fun for me, and I would make sure I'm doing whatever my teachers asked me to before school. Once I returned, I would take a break and then I would start again trying to implement whatever the teachers asked us to do for the day. Firstly, for physics, I used the reference book Cengage written by B.M. Sharma. I followed it thoroughly. It helped a lot. It was very relevant to the exam, both JEE Mains and Advanced. And I always found KVS sir's teaching was the foundation, and it would tell me what to study, and I would continue to do it with the books. For maths, I would first focus on NCERT and MK sir's teaching. After I'm done with that thoroughly, I can directly jump into solving PYQs. If I have some extra time, I prefer using Arihant books. I found them very helpful. They're very descriptive and detailed. Finally, for chemistry, I had different strategy for physical, inorganic and organic. Inorganic, I went thoroughly with NCERT and PYQs. Organic, I went with GNS sir's notes, and physical, I completely understood from CP sir's notes and did PYQs. Yes, I will be taking for sure KCET and BITSAT. I'm considering a few other exams but haven't finalized it yet. I'm also a biology student, so I'm keeping that option open in Karnataka, so I want to make sure I'm writing KCET. Before the exam, we had about half an hour. We were in front of the system doing nothing. So I just calmed myself down by then. And the moment the exam started, I just quickly went through all the questions for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then I began solving all the easier questions, the ones I could solve immediately as I saw them. Then I came to the medium and then finally the hard. Firstly, you'll need your admit card with your photo and thumbprint on it. You'll need transparent pen. You'll need your ID proof, whether it's Aadhaar card or anything else. And it's better to carry maybe 2 copies just in case they have a problem. And in our particular batch, they had problems with the Aadhaar ID updation. So you have to be careful about that as well. It began with the teachers, the books, and the exams. They all played a very major role. Firstly, the exams, they always set a deadline as to what I should study and I should finish it by then, followed by the analysis, which either told me where I stood or motivated me further. The teachers always made sure that I was studying and that I was doing it the right way. Their guidance, their tips, it was just invaluable. And the books, I always refer to Diksha manuals for all 3 subjects throughout the year. For each of them, I found it individually and uniquely helpful. It would hands down be the teachers here. I will talk about each one of them. MK sir, he's been teaching me from DSAT till PU exams, and his notes were the baseline for JEE Mains. Honestly, his notes were like 80% of my preparation. And then CP sir, he always made sure that his notes too were very detailed. They covered a lot of previous year question concepts, a lot of tricks for memorizing in inorganic and mathematical approaches in physical. And then KVS sir, he would always bring about really hard questions, and whenever I put across a question to him, I can be assured that it would be solved. Whether it is 2 days later, 1 week later, it is always solved. He's very enthusiastic about physics, so that was really positive. And Gurunath sir, his organic notes, apart from his notes, his pace of teaching was really nice. He made sure that we understood each concept, each student understood each concept. So these teachers are the main role in me getting 99%.